Den norske Nobelkomité har besluttet at Nobels fredspris for 1989 skal tildeles den 14. Dalai Lama, Tenzin Gyatso, religiøs og politisk leder for det tibetanske folk.
Opp mot det mektige Himalaya i 1800 meters høgd ligger Dharamsala, et lite stykke Tibet i India. Det er her den tibetanske gudekongen Dalai Lama holder til mesteparten av året. Det er her han leser og mediterer og holder seg à jour med utviklinga i Tibet. Overfor NRK formulerer fredsprisvinneren budskapen sin slik.
I always express importance of love, compassion, the realization of oneness, the all-sentient being, all, humanity, as one human family member. I think, I feel that is not just a sacred thing or something holy thing, but actually I think in actual situation, due to modern technology, our world is much closer, and also in economy field, much dependent on one another.
Da titusenvis av tibetanere i 1959 flykta over grensa til India, ga regjeringa i New Delhi det lov til å slå seg ned i Dharamsala. Det kjølige klimaet og fjellandskapet skulle gjøre heimlengten lettere å leve med. I dag, 30 år etter, lever 6-7 000 tibetanere her. Det finnes flere eksil-tibetanske kolonier, og når denne i Dharamsala blir sett på som spesiell, er det fordi Dalai Lama bor her. Mennesket og myten Dalai Lama er unik for den tibetanske buddhismen. Helt siden 1800-tallet har det tibetanske folket vært leia, religiøst og verdslig, av en Dalai Lama, som skal være en reinkarnasjon, en gjenføing av den forrige Dalai Lama. Når en Dalai Lama dør, blir det nye funnet etter en langvarig leteprosess. Den nåværende 14. Dalai Lama ble identifisert da han var 3 år gammel. Og ønsker han av og til at han hadde vært en annen, helt anonym person.
That's no. Now, after all, what is the purpose of one's life? And what is the value of life? So I believe, some kind of service, some kind of help, at least some kind of contribution for mental peace, or contribution for happiness, someone. That is the life, that's the meaning of life. Oneself, enjoy or happy, and sharing other people as much as you can. When other people, get some kind of, satisfaction or happiness, or at least momentary, happiness, you get some kind of reward, isn't it? You get some satisfaction. So that is the real, value of life.
Det var pressefolk som fortalte Dalai Lamas europarepresentant om Nobelprisen. Hun kom intetanende til Oslo i ettermiddag for å være med på andre arrangementer i regi av Tibet-komiteen, og fikk en for henne overraskende velkomst.
The first most human thing is to be very happy. So I'm very happy, and I think it's a credit that represents credit for all people who stand for this kind of peace and non-violence. I think the award that His Holiness has received is also a reward for everybody who stands for this kind of issue.
What impact will this have on the Tibetan struggle?
Well, I think it's a big encouragement for the Tibetans in Tibet, and I think they need it very much.
The Chinese embassy here in Oslo called this Peace Prize interference into internal matters. What is your reaction?
I'm not surprised, because they've been doing this for the last several years. They are always saying it's wrong, and I think whether it's wrong or right, I think the rest of the world knows it.
Jeg tror at vi kommer få mye mer nå sympati, og folk har åpnet øye for det som skjer i Tibet. Dette er en anerkjennelse for Dalai Lama, det han har stått for de siste 30-40 årene.
I mean, to me, it's just a simple Buddhist monk. No more, no less. So not much differences. But I feel because of, some, people, some kind of recognition, showing, recognition about, the value of sincere motivation. I hope, you see, more and more people will, you see, realize the value of good human thought, good human, how to say, quality. Usually I call the compassion, love, forgiveness. You see, these things I consider as a good quality of human being. So I hope, you see, this, how to say, is my connection with this prize may open in more people's eye to, how to say, to follow or to develop their own individual insight, good quality. So thank you very much.
Dalai Lama tror folk I Tibet vil bli glad over å høre at han har fått Nobels fredspris.
I think very happy when they heard about this thing. And at the same time, I think many Tibetans, especially in those remote places, first we need a lot of explanation. What is the meaning? And then one thing, I think the local authority may prevent this information reach at their place, or even, you see, let's say, distortion. I mean, you see, Chinese local authorities.
What message to the regime of the People's Republic of China do you read into this Peace Prize?
I think eventually Chinese people, especially, you see, intellectuals and young people, definitely they will appreciate. I think they feel very happy, I think. And of course, you see, the Chinese government statement, that's something different.